Hello everyone, welcome again in our C language course. Today we are going to see a use of logical operators in C. There are basically three logical operators in C: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Two of them are composed of double symbols for logical and logical OR because the use of the single symbol in C has different meaning. These are the symbols for logical AND, logical OR, and NOT. Logical and logical OR, they allow two or more conditions to be combined in an if statement. Look at an example. If the first condition a greater than 5, logical and second condition a less than 10. If user enter a number between 5 and 10, then the both condition will be true. If both condition will be true, the default scope will be the next printf statement. It will print works only if conditions is true. If one of the condition is true, means user enter a number which is greater than 5, but it is not less than 10. So the next condition is false, default scope. It will not execute the printf statement. Similarly, if the first condition is false and second is true, still it will not going to execute the printf statement. And third, final, if both conditions are false, it will not going to print because if condition becomes false. In case of logical OR, if both conditions are true, default scope will be the next statement printf. If one of them is true and one of the condition is false, the default scope of the statement will be printed. If both are false, means in if's condition, the expression or the condition becomes 0. If 0 means if false, the printf statement is not going to get executed. So where to use these logical operators? So these logical operators are useful in place of if-else statements, or we can say if-else clauses. So when we are going to use it, whether a value falls within a particular range or not, and testing of several conditions, the outcome is only one of the two answers. Let's see an example. In this example, if you see, if the number enter from the keyboard, if it is greater than 5 and less than 10, then and then only the printf statement will work. Will going to execute the program. Enter any number you want. If I am taking both conditions true, suppose 8, then the statement will be executed. Works if all condition in if are true. Suppose if I run it again, and you will see that I am going to enter the number which is greater than 5, but it is not less than 10. Suppose 25. So it will not going to execute the statement. Similarly, if I am going to execute for the first condition to be false, means, and the second condition which is less than 10 is true, then again it will not going to execute. The program is same for logical OR. If I run the program, if I make the first and second condition both true by entering suppose 6, the if statement will work. Then if I am going to run again to make the first condition a greater than 5 false and the second condition a less than 10 true, then the statement will work. Again I am going to execute. I am going to press 10, which will satisfy the first condition and which will not satisfy the second condition. Still the statement will be going to get executed. If I want to execute the last, where I have to make the both condition to be false, I have to make some changes that the a I am going to entering, it is less than 5 and greater than 10. So in between that, if I give the number like 7, so it will not going to satisfy the condition of first a less than 5, and it will not going to satisfy the second condition a greater than 10. So it will not going to print the statement. So In case of logical OR, if both conditions are false, then and then only the next statement will be skipped. Else, one of them is true, printf statement can be executed. Else if clause. One more way in which we can write a program in place of if else and logical operators. It will reduce our statements in a program. In case of if else clause, else is compulsory because if the condition is false, we need to go for the else statement. In case of else if, we don't require else, means else is not compulsory. So let's see an example. Look at this example. This example gives the percentage and the grade obtained by that candidate. If it is greater than equal to 60, first division, greater than equal to 50, second, greater than equal to 40, third division, and finally if it is less than 40, it will be a failed candidate. Now you will see that there are if else statement, if again else, in that else a nesting of if else is there, and again there is a nesting of if else. You will see there are so many brackets. The code is of line of 23. So if we execute it to calculate the grade of the candidate, so after the execution, what we have to enter is the enter marks in 5 subjects. Suppose 60, 55, 80, 70, 80. So 69 percentage, and it has a first division. So we'll see how to do it with the logical operators. Using the logical operators, the width of the program is reduced to the 17 line. So let's look at here. If is there, if percentage is greater than 60, it's a first division. Using logical operator, we can say it is in between 50 to 60, second, in between 40 to 50, third, and if it is less than 40, it will be fell. We'll see how it runs. We have to enter the marks in 5 subject, 60, suppose 80, suppose 50, suppose 45, and 40 suppose. So 55, it's a second division. It is also works. Now you can again reduce this using else if clause. Now using else if clause, though the line length is of 17, but the number of words and logic is decreased. There is no need to write in between 50 and 60, in between 40 and 50. You have to write just else if it is greater than 50, else if it is greater than 40, and finally else. So if we execute this statement, if we enter the 5 marks of the subject, will give us the percentage 70, and it is a first division. It is also works. Look at here, else is not optional. We can write again the condition of else if the percentage is less than 40, printf fell. It is also going to get works. The logical not operator. This operator reverses the result of the expression it operates on. Example, logical not operator inside bracket a less than 5. This evaluates if the condition a less than 5 is true, then the logical not operate make it false. Let's see an example. Logical not operator. You see the condition if in bracket negation or logical not a less than 10. So this printf statement will be executed only if the condition in if is true. Though a less than 10 makes the condition true, the negation operator will make the condition to be false. So let's look. If we execute it, if I make the condition a less than 10 true by entering suppose 5. So a less than 10 is true, 5 is less than 10, but the negation makes the statement false. So printf statement will be not executed. And again, if we make a less than 10 condition to be false by pressing suppose 20, negation makes it true and the printf statement will be executed. The hierarchy of operators. First, the logical not, then the arithmetic instructions, multiplication, division, modulo division, arithmetic addition and subtraction, then relational operator, less than, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, equal, then relational operator is equal to, not equal to, then logical and, logical or, and finally assignment. The conditional operators. So question mark and colon, these are called ternary operators. They take three arguments. Their general form is expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. So if expression 1 is true, if its value is non-zero, then the value returned will be expression 2. Otherwise, if expression 1 is false, the value returned will be expression 3. Let us see an example. In this example, we have used a ternary operator here. If inside bracket a less than 10, this is the condition. If the condition is true, then 1 will be returned, and inside that bracket if 1 will be there. So if 1 means the condition is true, printf statement will be executed. So let us see. If we make the condition true, a less than 10, by pressing the number which is less than 10, 5 supports, yes, the printf statement is executed. Now we'll make it false. So the false will lead to the 0, as if the condition in ternary operator is false, it will execute the third expression, or we can say a statement. So we'll make the condition false by pressing greater than 10, suppose 20, which is less than 10 will be false. 0, if 0 means printf statement will not going to get executed. Thank you for your patience listening. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.